with like the fast food, with portion size, so there's so many empty calories, meaning the nutrients aren't in those, that we can eat more and still not feel full. So you eat more and more to just kind of feel full, and like specials like McDonald's where it's like what is it, 50 chicken nuggets for like $5. People just buy that
Yeah.
because it's cheaper and end up eating all of it. So
Think about this. Think about this. I mean, I think about this a lot because I really like to be active, and I can tell when I'm not able to function at 100%. Would you ever put mud in your car where the gas goes? That would be stupid, right? The fuel that fuels your car, you want whatever gasoline is coming out of that thing that's as clean as possible. And yet, Oreo cookies and milk doesn't seem to faze us at all. I'm going to have the whole package of Oreos while I'm watching this football game. And if you looked at what is in Oreos or Twinkies or anything Hostess, and I'm not saying don't ever eat this stuff, but if you looked at what's in it as far as its value for you, it's the same as putting mud in your car. It's the exact same thing as far as nutrient value in it.
I was going to say all of the bad diets that have come and gone and come and gone.
So what's the problem with those?
Well, if you look at the food pyramid or My Plate or anything like that, it's the same basics, just restructured a little bit, but nobody eats the basics. You're on Atkins diet, you're on the paleo diet, you're on the Mediterranean diet, you're on the keto diet, you're on the gluten-free diet, and for somebody like me, I have celiac, so the gluten-free diet has to be mine.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you, don't do it as a fad diet. It's really not that great.
No.
Eat the donuts, but don't eat a lot of them. But I'm saying I see lots of people go through these trends, and I'll go places and people will be like, oh yeah, I got to be on a gluten-free diet. I'm like, why? Well, because everyone says it's healthier. I'm like, in what ways? I'm like, whole wheat is still healthy versus no whole wheat. I mean, and I just think people swing so far from one to the other, and a lot of it is because they cannot accept the body that they genetically have.
Mm-hmm.
So they're going to swing this way or swing that way off of every fad diet that comes, and it just messes up your metabolism. It just kind of messes with everything.
Yeah.
It's swinging.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I'd have to disagree with the pyramid nowadays because there's
What do you mean disagree with the pyramid? Explain what you mean by
well,
that.
in respect to what she was saying, it's another trend. I mean, they didn't have the pyramid back in the old days, right? Back in where our grandparents were being raised. They had pure foods that they were growing. We don't have pure foods anymore that we're growing.
So let's expand on this for just a second. Let's expand on this idea that how did we arrive at the pyramid? Does everyone know what we're talking about? We don't use it anymore, but kind of what you said is there's been derivatives of it, but the pyramid was kind of, and I remember even me thinking, this is what we ought to be doing. Because it makes sense, it sounds right. But how did we arrive at this pyramid? What is one thing that's absolutely nowhere in the good part of this pyramid that our ancestors ate a lot of? What's at the bottom of that pyramid? Grains, right? And how is it that the grains got at the bottom and the fats ended up way up here? Do you know? Does any of you know this story?